What's up, guys? Michael here. You guys all know me as Redbeard. So I've had a lot of success lately getting GPUs on Best Buy or graphics cards off Best Buy, and a lot of people have been hitting me up for my settings, so I decided to make a YouTube video so you guys could all see it at once. If you do not know what you're looking at here, maybe you found the video off of searching on YouTube or something. This is Stellar. It is a software that we use that it's a bot, basically. It buys things off of websites as soon as they come into stock. If you're interested in getting into botting and learning about it, then you guys can head over to our group. It's called Bot and Cop. And so Bot and Cop is basically a group that we started. It really is just a group of a group of dudes that are just wanting to help each other out with, flipping stuff, buying and selling, botting, things like that. Obviously, we're focused on getting really good at botting. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a cook group. I don't know if we're going to turn it into one. Right now it's just a group of guys that's just helping each other out. We got about, 40 members, going on 40 members. So, yeah, make sure you check out the link in the description and come hang out with us. So yeah, that being said, you guys can see I've gotten about 15 or 20 GPUs off Best Buy in the last few days. Got some printers. So that's March 5th. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 GPUs in like 4 days, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them were today. So I'm gonna go over my settings with you guys. Yeah, and then we'll go from there. So basically, new task group, create your task. Here we go. We're gonna go with pickup mode. The only one that I've been able to get to work on Best Buy. I have not had any luck with guest mode. In fact, I decided to just stop running it. So if you guys have had luck with guest mode, I would love to know. Let me know. Profile, of course. Sure, we'll go with that one. And then, yeah, for proxies, I actually use BART proxies. So I'll try to include a link in the description to those. For the SKU, don't even have a SKU handy, so we'll just, whatever. There's your Best Buy GPU SKU. For delay, I've been running on 4,000. Quantity, 1, because it is a GPU. For pickup radius, I've been doing, so I actually live pretty far from the nearest Best Buy, which has kind of helped me figure this out. I set my pickup radius to 90. For some reason, it picks them up further than that. I'm like an hour from Best Buy, but this is the trick right here, guys. So as soon as you buy one, you can actually go onto the website, and even if you bought it like 2 hours from you, you can click on it and you can like click and request to transfer to a different store. So even though you bought it at a store further than your house, you can actually have it transferred to pick up at the one closer to your house. Kind of stinks for me because I'm still about an hour from the nearest Best Buy, but it's not too bad to drive an hour whenever you're making, big profit. For account, you don't select an account. I think that's one of the biggest things. People probably try to select an account here and you get a bunch of errors. You just leave that blank. And that's it, guys. Create your task and run it, and that's it. And I let these run 24/7. So yeah, good luck with that, guys. Again, I would love to see you guys in our group. It's Bot and Cop. I will include a link in the description of this video, and I'm also going to be putting out many more videos on botting and cook groups, buying and selling online, things like that. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos on Stellar too, because I've been going pretty hard at it, and I've learned a lot, and I think I could really help you guys learn the easy way, not the hard way like I did. So, yep, that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord group, and we'll see you all for the next video.